How to change the display size and the font size for your Poco X7 Pro phone with HyperOS 2. So you just got your Poco X7 Pro phone and now you want to change the size of it because words are just so small. So first things first, use the quick access like this here and go into the settings toggle right there. And once you enter here, you will see all these options. And the first place you want to go is in display right here. Now, once you go here, go down past all of this here, and you're going to see font settings. So go to font settings. This is going to allow you to increase the size of your font. So you'll usually be set to small, and then you got the large, and it's going to give you an example of how big it can get. And you got all this up to XX large, okay? So whatever you leave it as, it's gonna save us that from now on. And once you back out, you'll notice that the text will readjust itself. But just come out of here until you come back to this area, then go down until you see accessibility or additional settings. So look for additional settings right here, then go to accessibility. And once here, go to vision. And in the vision section, you'll go down to display. And this is where you can increase the overall display size to have it set as the largest right there. So you got this size, that, and that. And then just be sure to press the check mark to save that, and you're good to go, like and sub.